Hey everyone, so this is the STAR test practice site. I'm going to show you 4 different tools on here that you can use for online annotating, just different tools that you can use to kind of help you visually. So the first one I'm going to show you is Notepad, and then I'll show you the highlight feature, how to unhighlight something, the strike through feature for questions or answer choices. And then I'll show you the dictionary as well. So the first thing is Notepad. So it's up here in this upper right hand corner. It has a little pencil and a paper and it says Notepad on it. So the first things first is that if you do not hit save and close before you close out the Notepad, then whatever you have written is not going to save. So the first thing I went ahead and did, and I already did this obviously, is I typed in the name of the article and then hit save and close. That way I kind of keep every single reading passage separate. You can also separate by for example, we have early life and an emerging artist. So we could put a space and put early life and then an emerging artist. And then I can kind of go section by section and put whatever notes I want. And then I can put one. Or you also have for highlighting, I'll show you this in a second, you have different color options for highlighting. So I could put the orange number 1 or something like that. And then say whatever it is that I need to say. So I'm going to hit save and close. So, for example, I said early life. So I'm going to highlight just this first sentence here. And then put orange since I already said orange. So this is right here is the highlight feature. This look, these 3 horizontal lines kind of looks like a hamburger. So you just drop it down and click highlight section. And then that's when you get to choose a color option. I could also hit reset highlighting, and that means that highlight will just go away, or any highlights on the page as well. So let me highlight this section with my cursor first. And then I'll click up here and then I'll select orange and then click Notepad. So for orange number 1, I'm going to put, I actually haven't read this, so I don't know. I'm just going to put main idea or whatever it is I need to put. Then put orange number 2. And save and close. Then perhaps orange number 2 is going to be, say that this is the answer to question number 3. Have no idea, like I said, but there we go. Answer to question number 3 because, and then whatever the reason is. Then I hit save and close. So it's kind of like a virtual scratch paper situation. So then I'll hit, again, I'll drop down this highlight section. If I want to reset, I want to get rid of my highlights, I'll click on that and they go away. Over here on the question, so we have our question here, we can slash the trash. That is something that I will be teaching you guys, is how to get rid of answer choices that you no longer, you just feel like these answer choices are absolutely not it. So say I think that B and D are just absolute trash, they don't belong at all. If you hover over any of these, the slash is going to go there, but you can actually click it. So I'm going to hit this one and this one. And oh, wait a second. I said I was going to slash B and D. So I'm going to just click on C again, and then the strike through goes away. So now I have the correct ones striked through. And then last thing tool that I'll show you today is the dictionary. So I can type in, let's see, what words do we have here? Let's see. How about blue bonnets? So I can type in blue bonnets and then I just hit the enter key on my keyboard. And then it gives me the phonetic spelling so I can get the pronunciation correct. It gives me a definition. So take full advantage of this because you are allowed a dictionary on the STAR test. Obviously, you have the digital one. You are also allowed a physical dictionary, so please take full advantage of that. But that is everything I'm going to show you today.